Fiti ni asese ni din ene your friend say mechanic. Za na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ene maba too much GH. Hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe.
Adofenum aha too much GH Ghana wa Alleging and so munyaba ekwesi kapa mede ebe so mo se de dan da ye no no ensam no de abone bede ye be sanim ye be twene sere ene abasa na wo so atimi a kire wadwen ede afa ehun Ghana fo mo be kaya ye nuaba Akuapem Poloo din nsam bi ebebetu jo wo be level allegation bi se felo Makafui etua sister Afia ama wono and I release this song at the master debi. A PM so no Afia and Medikal at that Medikal gem left and right. Amateurs a nutina fella, one on young woyen and saying no. And you sent me pure worry and you send by all because of say, will share a year energy drink no at the good sister Afia emu. A PM so dosa at the a jar and say, will be and find a young bear and see one. Na one dressing one feed no emaninya fine na wo oba besia brabaji free nsem eware no or because na just wonu no Akuapem Poloo ni allegations na say wo gina star debi echi enam this song ankrofo we mienu sister Afia ene fela Makafui etna say ede ema no ni tino no aba ba begina na chi no level allegations we ede ema mo na we ena fela Makafui ete ensem Akuapem Poloo ede etu dwa no say Abaya, me reply what the adding. Now, the first reply I what they buy what the cotton on Twitter. Now, then summer what they cotton one is one who say, what your bower for? One him and far and my a year suja for. Say, one was doing a pussy home, what doing a soon dear home, and what doing kunu, and then carry home. And ya dear say, what you will be a home, 18 and ma will be fun of from because they say, we need timer. What they ever reply a young crofon simpunu and some phone a train and or by yan or baby reply say home. What's the and will be a then or be a for Bama addressing Amana Yobi and a mema beja boss. Now they will ask my one and pet the idea, papa. When I am better ten. When pana idea just a one who say a war else so one was a media there be a war where dear men pet. And ya dear say me kwa jibida na emom ensu a etene na me kwa no wa hu bi da boko de wa dwum ya okay na abusuafo for the Twitter page no and some of the to on mama yenkokotie and some na nsa na yakokotie ni video na wo release ye no etre Miss Precious from Pon na some of the atu dwane say I only think about my husband, my business, family, career and my peace. Anything else is not worth my time. We any and summer what they atu jo was say or no they say na busuyon ni kunu ni career ni business any na sundue eno any ade a wodwen ho apart from eno say the Bible say and the show so in ne say ne kan no de bibia be ka ho wo no de na de a wo hwehwe nie apart from eno no no fa bibia kan ho sa mu bogus trolls no eni nsemu na mo kan wo no de wa yini nyina fi Bible na say de bibia kan ho a wo no de one bibia what they can one time at the man in some because na ntuma go fi na demu one me gina ho me come and me hata na de jawa bonte na Ghana for ma ba be fa horo e de amano a kire no de wonye enti wono de we any replier what they ye wo mu na ebie mu nso so no wo call ye na just wo de kokotom ye ni page so e reply for the second one allegation Akuapem Poloo at the buy yes will be afa ne boyfriend addressing no one no about fa na busu mama yenkokotie ne nsama wo de etu eja for way any video abaya no send ni twa eto abra wo de ne sa ne post ni kokoto Twitter no we any video nso o sa release ya to social media say one empire de ye one pa na empire de ye papa enti wo kodu na kokotontos wo kopentos ato wo kwa wo kokofa de ka anam so anasa wo kokohunu wo kopɛ de ho ayefe na wo de ababa begu feed jai say mu ne ka why no wo kwa bonte kwakoto ade fun enti no wo no se wo ni say ye obi boy e na waje e na nipa na ware na waje esan se why e na mpe adepa wo bi ni wo pe adefun e wo abrabom enti se wanya adepa ana akwofa adefun e na wasiesie na mana ye papa na wantimi anhwa papa ne so ama obi aba abaje dia e no wo no wo ni time e de e ma na ensem we bebeto edwa na Ghana for se na wo fela Makafui ye po obi ama na baba be kasa ewo anka wo ka bi ebi wo enye medical abusuan se de nkofo di na tem no ya na mkra me bra ho enye medical onu na dwunwe ha wo de na fa ba bia anka wo se ne wan se ye de ka wa be show nsa se wo ba mrs wo anka wo se ne wan wo se ne wan se ye de eye ka wa be show nsa se ye be fro se mrs na wo gina ha no mo baba be kasa wo ni time de ma wo bi na wo time a wo no wo de ma wo kunu aso na abenya de ama because na wagimie enu na nkrofo kan nyam na meka srawara o se onu na agimie na wo baba be to kawa de ahyew aware wo ama wo baba benya bia baba twa obi empoa be kasa who no like better thing wo na wo pe na wanya entifa na ka hu se eye nwai gbefo die se de butimi de nkrofo chi nkrofo adwen ka hu se wo achima kasa betia faso na tifaso wi na abehunu se medical wo betena wo nchen ana se want na wo enchen ebinu mo so se we eni kwan se Ghana for crampo no ye fi wo mo ono so ne do say don't mind these people because they don't have any business doing ono so edie no ye nua bi so edie wo de ebe o se fela upon the allegation leveled against you all that you could say is that you don't have time for anyone. You only think about your husband, your business, family, career, and peace. Nothing else is worth your time. Really? Then that means what Akuapem Poloo is saying is true. Sister Afia is having an affair with your husband. And to be precise, Medikal is banking here. On also so ne dia wo de eba ye no se se anu ye we pan na fela Makafui wutimi de ba bonten. Se wan na empa de padia. Then that means say eya ware na woti ase no eni die no wunya bi because Medikal one sister Afia ene wo honum eni die wo se wunya no wo de ni nyina ma sister Afia enu entia ena wo eni die no wunya because nka wo bia kanya de se obaba bonte abekasa ensemhunu ewe na reply a ekoso no na chese wan kasa no ade na ware na woti ase no kra no wo eye how ede emawo ye nua bi so ade a wode eba ye o say you only think about that. That's the only thing that you are going to think about because you took Medikal somewhere. That's the reason why you were able to snatch him from Sister Debbie. But God is in control. What is meant for you, what is not meant for you will never be yours. Ono so ebia anu wase wo hu ogidi pa ese eye fela wo the Medikal efa baby enu nti ena otimi gi no edi free eye Debbie ense no on kan hu se ade bia enya wo dia no enya de se betimi aya wo dia de biara da hwihwima de ekosoro na ade wo kokohwim wutimi hwim obi ade de kan hu se soro ena ekoninya kokodru nyankopon so nchen dia de ye ne dia no wo de bema no na kan hu se enche Medikal wan hwa no wo free wonsa one time ho ena ye be hu se ade wo bedwen hu eye wo ex husband and asa wo husband ena wo career ena wo be kan ama yetie ye nua bi so ade wo de eba wo say fella your response there I don't get it to what Akuapem Poloo said. We want you to come and say that what she is saying is not true, otherwise we are taking it to be true because what the video that you are doing is not going to make, it's not making any sense, it's not going to prove anything to us. On also so idea no ultimate idea what they by your say Akuapem Poloo. If that's what she is saying, then please release more because I heard you saying you have so many gist. So please bring it out. We want to know what is into that marriage because people were saying this marriage is not going to last long. And since you are bringing some evidence, bring it out for us to know what is truly going on in Fela Makafui's house ono so adia wodi eba ye eno no abusuan form allegation na ye level ye edigu eye fela so so watua eye sister Afia ka ama wo mo akwakwa ye eye de som edi ama dabi se eye medical edwam ene hu kro ne ba se waje eye dabi e boyfriend abra wasiesie no no de wotimi de betu dwane so wonu do any time emfa ma wo ma wo mu hu ehia na emom wonu do betimi aka ne se hwan ene empe ade pa na se video ye de chow no who no like better thing eno me anu yi awode ema Akuapem Poloo na se Akuapem Poloo so we krampo chire se so obi epe ade pa de ani se won so hu se medical so ye obi a obeye ya ma ode won so timi gini free wo because of gini free obi wa na abusianboa eno anu no abusianfo adunche bia o no se de mo amunim dada no too much GH we are your number 1 and loyal channel you wo ede mamo abrepia for wadunche no ebetu eja ema because ehun ehia yen eno ena chese ye kenkan magana fo bi no musu hunu musu se de mo dwen efa no na bi ohun ni se enye yi ana enko yi no yeso ye kwa akodom wasu kwa hwehwe mu ne ede ababa betu dwa kirikire mu ede amabo enti share from obusuafo all the social media platform ebiem so won subscribe ya message so obeye ene me nko sa line no kra ye ma me wate ekes kapa aha ene braba ma ekwan ma di dwumadi ni esie da so ne ye besa na shia